Stephen Bird, Captain, Chaplain Corps, United States Navy, retired. And then I went to Hospital Corps School down in San Diego. Well, again, this is where I wanted to be because I wanted to become a physician. And so I was always interested in first aid and all. And when I was going to get drafted, I didn't want to go into the infantry, knowing that Vietnam was going at the time. But I didn't know that corpsmen were going to be with the Marines on going to Vietnam. But I wanted to choose what I wanted instead of being dictated. This is where you want to go, so I can choose my own course. Well, at Hospital Corps School, again, you're going through classes, just like high school classes, and we're right there, anatomy, physiology, first aid, and we went through a lot of simulation of bandaging, that sort of thing. How to, being able to hit yourself with morphine in the side of the leg, and a lot of moulages and that simulated casualties, and being able to do the practical hands-on into things. So that was really good, and I enjoyed my experience there at the Corps School. The knowledge on what to do in a specific situation, from the experience I got on being able to do injections, giving medications, that my experience would be like a licensed practical nurse after all the training that we had, and being able to, I thought this would help me out as I wanted to go into the medical field.